I am going. I typed in the numbers I wanted for this jewelry box, which is 12, 28, 19, and I'm just going to type in the font that I liked, and here it is. And now I'm gonna test out if I like it bold or regular. Turns out I like it regular. Now I'm gonna go to shapes on the left column, and I'm gonna choose hearts, and those are gonna be like my little points in between the dates, and I'm just going to size it and drag it down to my numbers, and then I'm gonna duplicate that. Make Save the work for yourself. Just go ahead when you get the size you like, duplicate it, try to line it up as close as you can using that 12-inch line right there, grid line as a reference. And I just they were gray, so I highlighted them and made it black. See, as I move that, the hearts don't move with it. So I'm gonna click the both of the image again. So I'm trying to see. I'm gonna select the image together and weld it. And when I move it now, it should move together. Winning. Okay. So I find that when you use on the bottom left corner, you could have your screen from 100% to 75%. I find that 75% on my computer screen, my monitor, is closest to real life size. So I just use that as a reference, and I'll hold up the jewelry box up against the screen as a reference. So how I figured that out was I just put a ruler to my monitor when it was at 75%, and it was the closest. So it's only off by maybe 1 centimeter. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my mat. It's gonna be I'm gonna to be using washi sheet settings and pressures more. And now I'm loading my mat and it's cutting, and this is sped up. It does not cut that fast, but it cuts pretty fast. So I just cut off X. So it's actually really small. So I just use a piece of scrap silver vinyl. So I cut off the excess and I slowly weed it out, and I use two hands. So, and I use that thing to scrape it down so it will actually like stick to the white part. And I use this tool right here to kind of hold down the pieces as they lift, and this could be a very tedious process, as in these numbers are really small. They're like half an inch long or so. So you just take your time and weed it slowly. You could look at some of my technique here. I just kind of push through with this tool, and then I would use my finger to hold it down, and you do that for each. And now that it is lifted, some of the pieces move, so then I have to manually move the pieces back. Okay. Now I have my jewelry box that I bought from Dollar Tree, using my microfiber wipe to wipe down the surface. I don't really like using alcohol wipes, just because. So I use this microfiber wipe I bought from Walmart, using it also as a placement. And I first just, visualize how it would look inside. And it already has transfer tape on it. And now I'm peeling transfer tape and trying not to get it on my finger because it will stick on my finger. And I'm just eyeballing it out and hoping that it comes out straight, which didn't work. So then I used these tweezers, which let me see, made more things visible. So I'm just going to smooth everything down really good before I take the transfer tape off. And take your time to do this because of all your hard work of designing it and weeding it, you might as well take the time to put it on. And I'm going to use my fingers to pull back the transfer sheet, and that's how it looks like. It turned out really, really cute and personalized. And that's the final product. And if you like more videos like this, please go ahead and subscribe. Thank you.